guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here in Ventura. We came out, it's Saturday. Anyways, I got cut off, but it's Saturday, so we came out to Matt's mom's house. We're gonna stay the night and just be here because we're having a barbecue here for Father's Day tomorrow. So we just came out to spend the night. Matt's gonna go surfing in the morning. What else are we doing?
Oh, that's about all we have planned. Pretty easy.
We have Matt's brother here right now, his sister-in-law, and Callie. Say hi! Matt shaped this surfboard. He went to go pick it up. It was supposed to be blue.
Surfing!
Anyways, it was supposed to be blue, but it's purple. It's like a lavender color. It's actually really pretty. Are you surfing? Surfing, baby!
If I wanted to go somewhere.
Surfing! Paddle!
Paddle, paddle, paddle.
Like this.
Paddle, little girl.
Ah. Get him!
Oh my goodness!
Pop, 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 pop.
Turn around.
Pop, pop. Here we go.
Oh!
Oh.
Wheelie!
He's like walking.
Look how pretty.
Cucumbers. See, like this, I think these are pretty too with the red.
Totally.
Board. Hold on, it's
Stunning.
kind of wet. Let's clean it off first.
What's this?
Lettuce. Romaine.
Dang. That's thriving.
My cucumber, look at my
That looks
baby
so
cheeks.
good. What is that? Cucumbers? Look at those.
Yeah, my squash. I don't know what's wrong with them.
Are they not growing?
No. I mean, this one.
Look at these.
Those are the Bossa Nova squash. These are doing good, but that plant isn't doing that well.
That's
This
squash.
one's starting to.
We just left and picked up sushi right now, just right down the street. Matt's parents are going to Margaritaville for dinner tonight. We didn't want to go there because we had Del Taco on the way out. So Mexican food just did not sound like it was gonna sit right with us. So we got some sushi. We're going back home right now. Can you not hit me? All right, we got some sushi. Matt got a hand roll. We got 2 different rolls and some more sushi over here. Indy got some chicken fried rice. Mmm. Yum. Just finished dinner, finished doing all the dishes. Matt's giving Indy a little bath right now. Yeah, we're just hanging out. Probably just gonna chill here until Indy goes down for bed, and then I'll probably start editing my video, the what I eat in a day, so you guys would probably have already seen that by the time this vlog comes out. Like I said, the family is coming out here tomorrow. Just Matt's brother and his kids are coming out here, and we're just gonna barbecue. I think we're just gonna do like hamburgers, hot dogs. Matt's mom made potato salad. I'm gonna make a pasta salad, so I have to go in the morning and go get all the ingredients to make that stuff. Matt's going surfing super early in the morning, so he's not gonna be here probably till like an hour after we're awake in the morning. So yeah, that's the plan. That is what's up for the weekend. I wasn't even planning on vlogging, but I had my camera with me and I just figured, why not? Let's get this little Father's Day weekend on camera. So take you guys along. There we are. Cutest. Hi. All clean. Clean, clean. What you got? Good morning. Happy Father's Day. Morning. The best father ever. I love you.
Love you.
That was a wet beard kiss.
Indy!
We're walking down to the beach right now. It's probably almost 8 o'clock in the morning. It is overcast and foggy right now. Probably gonna be a little chilly today, kind of the same as yesterday, I would assume. Matt's mom's making breakfast right now. We're gonna do pancakes, sausage, and eggs. I need to go to the store still and get everything for my pasta salad, so I'll probably go after breakfast and grab all the ingredients for that. I'm so stuffy. I always get the worst allergies every time I come down here. I don't know what it is. There's something about the ocean that gives me allergies. So that's the plan. I literally woke up and forgot that it was Father's Day today. Cuties!
Mama! Say hi, Mama!
Say hi! Who's that? Is that Indy? Father's Day feast. Okay, I just got back from the store. I got all the ingredients for my pasta salad. So I got some sweet mini peppers, some mozzarella cheese that's in the little pearls, some salami. You can also do pepperoni as well, an English cucumber, some cherry tomatoes, some sliced black olives, the Ken's, this is key, the Ken's Northern Italian dressing, tri-colored pasta, and then I got this for myself. It's the pressed juicery ginger with greens, and then a immune shot. So I'm boiling some water right now for my pasta. I'm gonna start chopping all of this stuff up right now. And then Matt, his friend, just got here, the one he shaped the surfboard for, and he's gonna go surfing with him out front. And I think his brother is on his way right now.
Is that a vintage camera?
No.
Vintage, that's what all the YouTubers use, dude.
Oh, it's real deal.
Okay, I've got everything in here. I have the noodles and then all of this chopped up on top. And then I just have to put the dressing on. Good to go. Here it is. So easy. So delicious. Me and Indy just came down to the beach and we're watching Matt surf right now. We just got our little setup just hanging. It's so, well, I wouldn't say it's so cold, but it's definitely chilly, but it's still like so nice and so peaceful, beautiful to be on the beach. This is like my favorite thing in the entire world, seriously. If I could do this every single day, I would be the happiest girl. It is one of my favorite things about California, and probably one of the reasons why I would never leave is because I could never leave the California beaches. It's just like my complete happy place. And Indy loves it. She can play out here like rain or shine all day long. What's wrong? Indy, can you say hi? Say hi, baby. Look how cute she looks. Where's your sunglasses? You want some chi-chi? She said, give me my ball.
Throw it to me.
You throw it? Oh, good job.
Yeah. Kick it. Kick it to me.
Good job.
Yes.
Oh, good job.
Yay! Good job.
herself. Like, she looks, she's like, are they coffee?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Go get it!
Kick it. Uh-oh.
Happy birthday to you.
Are you gonna help?
Pull some.
Pull it. Get it.
Nice.
Good
Ooh.
Ooh, it's the sandless towel.
Sandproof towel. I sold it to them because I want to see if it works.
I've been eyeballing these every time I'm in there.
I don't think it works. I do because
Let's test it.
it doesn't have the.
Try it out. Try it
Go
out.
into the beach.
I don't think it has.
Awesome, thank you, everybody.
It doesn't have the little grains for sand to get stuck in. So I think it's just easy to dust it off.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a squeegee. It's like a chamois. It feels like what I put on top of my yoga mat at hot yoga.
Let me feel
That's what
it.
I said.
X marks the spot.
I like that.
Imagine sand like goes to get on it, just like flies off.
Kind of my opening right now.
Ooh.
Just wait for it. Oh yeah. Whenever you're ready. I'm ready. I just don't care.
Woo, woo. Hands up in the air.
Now dance.
Hands up in the air.
Can you dance? Dance. 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 What?
You guys are making me look silly.
Doctor said. Doctor said. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh. Knees and toes, eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Faster, faster! Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. I missed my name.
I missed my name.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Have you seen them?
Huh?
Green monster on top.
I mean, not a picture, a video.
Oh, I know it's gonna get salt and pepper.
Why does she only wear those glasses?
Because that's what we brought.
No, like.
Why are you hating on her sunglasses?
Let me read the card first.
Read it out loud.
All right. What'd you get me?
Because I wanted to, because I love you.
Read it.
Son, there's so much to celebrate about the great dad you've become and the wonderful son you've always been. Happy Father's Day with love. You are my favorite son. Josh is second and Dave is third. Love, Mom and Bob.
Wait a minute. Mine says I'm the favorite, and David's second, and Matt's third.
It's funny, David said he was the first favorite. He was the favorite redhead.
You're so monotone the whole time.
You have something else in your bag, Josh.
I'm getting there.
Car phone holder
Yes.
for my phone in my car. What, do I have a problem with that?
I have a problem with you picking up your phone and looking at it.
I don't do that.
Does it have a lock on it? When they get in, they have to lock their phone to it?
So this is so I'm a better dad.
What is it?
Another beeswax.
Kinza.
Kinza.
No, this is actually really good. Thank you.
Lamborghini just to race with China. With that body.
It's just foam.
Here's your phone.
What
How much does a piece of foam run you these days?
$80.
What? I'm gonna have him make me one. Come on, Indy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy Father's
Yeah. Surf's up, baby.
Make the surfboard of your dreams.
I will. Thank you.
You got foam.
Last year I got a fully shaped surfboard.
This year is a step down.
I get to do it myself. This is way better though.
Here you go.
Say Happy Father's Day to your dad and
Sick.
And
Thank you.
when you're done, we're gonna put Indy's handprint on
Sure,
it,
let's do it. Yeah.
and then we're gonna gloss it.
Gotta be cute.
Are you gonna have a cupcake, Cal? What's up, y'all? We are home now. Indy and I are going to walk across the street and get some cookies. Hopefully they still have them. I feel like when you go later in the day, they sell out of all the good ones. We're back. They only had M&M cookies left and sugar cookies. Everything else was sold out. But joke's on them because I love the M&M cookies. We're just hanging out outside because Matt's taking a nap. Alright, it is much later in the evening and I'm gonna sign off of this vlog. I'm gonna start editing it for you guys right now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I hope you guys had a wonderful Father's Day and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.